Hey, what's going on, fine folks of YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man here, Sunday afternoon, Halloween, October the 31st, out in Mongo's garage already. As you can see on the clock there, it is, 20 after 1. Got a little bit of cleaning done this morning, burn up some garbage, and now we're actually working on the Cobra, believe it or not, but only just because I want to be able to move the frame around and store it. I've got the frame up on stands, as you can see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pallet racking and we're going to make dolly wheels for this bad boy. I'm going to bolt 2 to the front, 2 to the back, and that way we'll be able to move it around the garage here or wherever it is that we're going to store it. Right now, the body is down in the cave. Yeah, so that's the plan here for the day. Going to get this done. Then we've got to change oil in my wife's car and my daughter's car. And then, old sketch sitting out there. KJ's already got the hood, the engine, I think the radiator, all that stuff sold already. Got a set of doors down in the railroad shed that got to go. And the transmission, the C6 that's sitting over there, is sold as well. So hopefully KJ will get a bunch of that stuff out of here and we'll be good to go. So, all right. You guys have seen me build these brackets before, like whenever we did the stand for the motor for Phoenix. It's pretty much going to be the same idea. Nothing real special. All right, I'm going to get at it, turn the radio back on, and check up with you guys once we get her done. Or halfway done anyway. All right, y'all. So Mongo Man's back at you here. We got the front done. I just had to go and get some more material, but this is what we got. Just a quick little bracket with 2 caster wheels on it. These are obviously pivoting casters, bolted to where the front bumper should bolt. Got a quick 45-degree brace in it, and just got it welded up on there. So now it's on jack stands in the rear. I'm going to be doing just the same back there. All right. Hey, what's happening, fine folks of YouTube? KJ and I just got the frame down here to the cave. This is what it looks like. You guys saw the front bracket. The rear bracket actually looks just the same. The only difference is I bolted it to the frame. One on either side. And now we're going to lift the body onto the frame. All right, so there it's going to live for the winter, up on its stand, up off the ground in the cave. Moves around really nice. All right, so we got the body back on the frame, sitting on the racks here in the cave. This is what it looks like. Turned out really nice. The body's not sitting all the way down where it should. Just simply because there's no support for the front once it's all the way down. So we just set it up on top of here. I know it's not doing the gel pen any good, but for right now it'll work. That way it can live in there for the winter. All right. The Cobra is in storage for the winter. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Quick little project. Like I said, wanted to get some stuff done on the Cobra. Had to make room because KJ has got just about every part in the world sold off a sketch. And he needs to get it ripped apart here next week. So the garage is now empty and he can get sketch in there and get tearing. All right, Mongo Man signing out. You guys take care. See ya. What's going on? Please, all 3. Go. Goodbye.